Yep. Okay. So if you want to try and work out U times V, all you're going to do is 2 cis 60 times 3 cis 30. Now from that, look what we just looked at, 2 times 3 times cis 60 plus 30 in brackets. Now that is the same as 6. Is that my answer?
Yes.
Are we happy with that? What? How else could I get my answer?
Polar.
It is polar. Rectangular form. So let's have a look at rectangular form. So that's 6 cos 90 plus I sine 90 in brackets. What's the cos of 90? 0. What's the sine of 90? 1. So that's 6 I, isn't it?
Yeah.
And if you think about on an Argan diagram where 90 would be, it would be straight up there, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, what about the next one? This one a little bit trickier.
Nothing me.
Is it going to be much trickier? We're going to go 4 times root 5 cis 2 pi over 3 plus 3 pi over 4. So how do you do? How are you going to do 2 pi over 3 plus 3 pi over 4? Yep, make a common denominator and then add fractions. Yeah. Calculate. Will your calculator do that as well?
8, maybe.
What will you put in your calculator to do that? Do you need to go?
2 over 3.
Just if you just think about 2/3 plus 3/4, that's 17/12. So this is 4 root 5 cis 17 pi over 12. Now is that my answer?
Rectangular form.
No, is that my answer?
Yes.
No. Why is it not?
4 root 5. No, never mind.
Why is it not?
Oh, because you got to put into a rectangle.
No, it does. That's another way of putting it into rectangular, but why is it not? Okay, so this part here is right. What is 17 pi over 12? It's greater than 1. It's greater than pi, isn't it? If that was in degrees, that would be more than 180 degrees, eh? So in other words, where would that be on our Argan diagram?
All the way around.
It would be past there, wouldn't it? So it'd be down here. Is that right?
Yeah.
What would that value there be? 5 pi over 12?
Negative 5 over 12.
That would be 5 pi over 12. So what would be the actual angle that I need?
7 pi.
Negative 7 pi over 12. Yeah. Does that sort of make sense? Remember polar form? The polar form, the angles are either between 0 and pi or 0 and negative pi. You don't get, that is not polar form, that is polar form. Okay? Now, if you think back to the example we had yesterday, that's where I went wrong. Okay? That it wasn't in proper polar form. Okay, and I'll flip back to that shortly. Are we happy with that answer there? Some people are nodding, other people not. Okay, make sure you speak up. What about the division then? How are we going to do the division?
5. 4 by 2.
Yeah, so it's going to be 4 cis 120 divided by 2 cis 30. That is the same as 2 cis 120 minus 30, which is 2 cis 90. Is that my only way of giving that answer?
Rectangular
rectangular
form.
form, 2 cos 90 plus I sine 90, which is why it can just be 2I. Okay? I didn't want to go through the other one in rectangular form just because it would probably take a little bit longer. But are you happy with those? Those couple of questions? They seem easy enough to get through? Yeah, we're going to do those ones today.